Hi, I'm Tom Lassiter. Welcome to Dao De Vibe episode 9. We're going to hook up Codex to our Git repo so that we can augment Replic's capabilities. As I discussed in episode 8, Replit has changed their pricing model, which is going to suddenly break the bank if you use it frequently. So it's a good idea to hook Codex up to your Git repo, and this will A, give you a lot of extra capabilities that Codex brings to the table, and B, save you a lot of money. So once again, when you want to hook Codex up to your Git repo, I think it's easiest just to ask ChatGPT how to do it. So when you log into your ChatGPT account, on your computer on the left-hand side, you'll see a Codex link. When you hook up Codex, you will see you create an environment and you select your Git repo, and then you have to give it internet access. So anyway, ChatGPT will guide you through the whole process much better and faster than I can. So when you start using Codex with Replit, it's extremely important that you first sync your Git repo. So on your Replit app, you should click Sync with Remote right here before you start doing anything on Codex. And then you go directly to Codex and you say, I want to make this change, or I want to add this feature, and then you press code on Codex, and then it will work away for a while. When Codex is done, you click Create PR, and then you merge the PR with your Git repo. And after you've done that, you have to go back to Replit and click Sync with Remote again. And then you will see your PR there on Replit. Then what you can do is ask Replit to look at the work that you did on Codex and tell you whether it likes what you did or not. And it's very important to say, please just look at the work, don't do anything else. Also, you have to tell Replit that it can see the PR because it will tell you that it can't see the PR. So you need to say, I have merged the PR with GitHub and you can now see it. Please tell me what you think. And then it will give you a response and it will probably tell you, oh, this is fantastic. After you make a change on Codex, it might not still be fully implemented on Replit. And you always have to remember to redeploy after you sync the Git repo on Replit. Click redeploy, and then go test what you've done, because that will tell you if you need to do anything else on Replit. Sometimes when you make a change on Codex and you sync it with your Git repo, you'll still need to run some script to get it to actually function properly on Replit. So you might have to ask Replit, what script do I need to run to make sure this is running properly? You can either ask Replit to implement the script, or you can go back and paste Replit's response into Codex and ask Codex to write the script for you. You can choose which solution you prefer or which solution you have better luck with. In episode 10, we're going to talk about how you can ask AI to fix other issues. If you're having an issue that can't be resolved in 1 or 2 attempts with Replit, it's best just to stop and try to find another solution, because you might really go down a long rabbit hole. In episode 10, we're also going to talk about maybe forking your Git repo and calling it a different name, or somehow making a backup on a daily basis. So rolling back on Replit, it's much easier to roll back than to try to fix something that's hopelessly broken. So I encourage you to every now and then just say, okay, let's roll back a couple of hours and we'll redo all this stuff. Thank you very much. Bye.